Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI 11T, and today I would like to show you how you can enable or disable automatic text correction on this XIAOMI. First of all, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Now tap on Additional Settings, Languages and Input, Manage Keywords, and your current one, in my case Gbird. Over here, tap on Text Correction and scroll down a bit. Over here, click on this switcher next to Autocorrection feature, and as you can see, autocorrection is now disabled. If you wish to enable it, just click at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!